I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. This is the website. Okay, my boss figures that the agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in the gallery link on this link and the contact details on the link, this link, and together with the map on the side. Now, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, you can also add it here. And of course, the about link about the company profile. Okay, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Tier. Talk to you soon. Thank you.